Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use live segments and Strava. So Strava is a fitness app that you need to make sure that you use GPS on to track running, cycling and other activities. It lets users analyze performance, join challenges and connect with a global athletic community. So you can get it from the App Store, even Play Store. It depends on which device system you have, and also you can get it from in other stores. Anyways, let's get into Strava to see how you can do that. Alright, so Strava, tap on it, and right here what I want you to do is to go into record because you are directly forwarded into home after tapping on the app. So once you tap on record right here, you need to go into the gear icon on the top right corner because it's we have only the map right here and some tools in the bottom. Alright, so once you tap on the gear icon, you will be forwarded into 6 options right here. So what I want you to do is to go into live, that one, actually the fourth option, and right here tap on live segments, toggle it on. Alright, one more thing, I want you to go into the audio right here and tap on it, and I want you to make sure that you toggle this option or you check that option. Alright, and you need to go to the live segments notifications right here and go into the last option. Alright, so just by doing that, it's turned on, and yeah, you turned on the live segments and Strava app. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to support. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.